5306 Camino Bosquecillo, cul-de-sac location. The home is potentially 4 bedrooms. You'll see the unfinished 4th bedroom upstairs. Has a deep driveway, room for approximately 4 cars, and it has a 3-car garage, a tandem 3-car garage. Nice area outside the front door. Entry, hardwood floors in the living room, and there's a half bath right at the entry. Continuing into the living room, out to the family room, fireplace, great room set up, access to the kitchen, breakfast area, pantry, washroom, and tandem garage. Right outside, private backyard patio, sloping back. Gas fireplace, side yard. Kitchen features double ovens, one of which the upper is a convection oven. Island dishwasher and sink. There's a closer look at the hardwood floors. Looks like manufactured, actually it looks like a laminate type product. Moving upstairs. Good natural light. The multiple listings service indicates 4 bedrooms. This will be the 4th. It's not finished, so assuming someone wanted a 4th bedroom, that 4th bedroom would have a door to the balcony. Otherwise, right now, it's an open loft. Bedroom number 2, smaller, probably about 100 square feet. Also has access to the front balcony. And here's another loft space right off of the hall bath with vinyl flooring. Bedroom number 3 is off to the left. Standard size bedroom. And then finally the master bedroom, generous size with plenty of natural light through the 4 windows, and a good sized master bath with walk-in closet and dual vanity. In the walk-in closet, Goes all the way through.